Hey everybody, this is a video for taking out a O2 sensor from a 2003 Toyota Corolla. And so what I wanted to emphasize is that there is a solution that does not require you to take out the heat shield. And so what that means is it's going to save you a lot of time, especially this worked out well for me because see that bolt on the bottom left hand side right down there? That thing is totally stripped and it was going to be a pain in the butt for me to get this heat shield out. Obviously you can see here my O2 sensor, I've got it out now and it is it's in pretty rough shape. So check this out. So what you need to do this job is a tool from Harbor Freight. So go ahead and get yourself basically a 8-piece set of these 60-degree offset box wrench sets, and what you'll need is the 22 millimeter side, which is this guy right here. So now this will allow you to get right onto the O2 sensor and you'll be able to remove it, with a little bit of force. So here's the strategy that I used. So, inside down in the car, I was able to unplug this adapter, and so this right itself, fits, see it slides right inside there, so I'm able to, and pardon me, I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm able to slide this boy right down in here, and with the offset I'm able to fit right onto the sensor here, and so from there just takes a little bit of leverage, but this angle here is exactly what you need to get to the O2 sensor. And what I definitely too recommend is to definitely hit that sensor with some PB Blaster, and that'll help loosen it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna reinstall this just the same way that I took it out. So of course this is I used a Denso. This is direct OEM part, and so I'm gonna use some anti-seize. So I'm gonna put those right on the thread, and then I'm gonna thread this in back like normal, and then I'm gonna plug this back up and be working like a charm. Alright, so you can see here, so I'm able to slide this, so I slid that over the connector. Sorry for the shaky camera here. And see how that just fits nicely into that groove there. And so I'm tightening this thing and snugging it down pretty good. Perfect. Yeah, so heat shield intact, and I able to put this thing on nice and easily. So the great thing about this is I did not have to take the heat shield off. So every video that I've seen here on YouTube has said, okay, step 1, take the heat shield off. So do yourself a favor, save yourself some time, go to your local Harbor Freight, or you can order this anywhere at Lowe's or Home Depot. You'll just have to custom order it. They don't I was shopping around, they don't carry it in the stores. So, and not all the Harbor Freights carry this size. So I actually went to one and they only had a up to 18 and 19 millimeters. So you need the 22 millimeter set. And so this cost me roughly about $17 at Harbor Freight. Now to do this job, from a local mechanic, I called around and they wanted about $180. So definitely worth the savings there. So again, I hit this thing with PB Blaster for several days. This thing is super tight. So you save some money, and good luck with your car, and good luck and happy fixing your car. And the check engine light is off. Woohoo! So just started her up and no check engine light, so all fixed and ready to go, and getting way better gas mileage. Really loving it. So, all right, thanks for watching and good luck. Take care.